Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to study link in SwiftUI. So let's start by creating a new file and name it as link playground. So link is a SwiftUI control that is used for navigating to a URL. It actually looks like a button, but it opens a URL in a default browser. And yeah, let's just see how we can use link. So I'm going to have a v stack in here, and we can create link by providing a destination URL and title. So if you type link, you can see we have two initializer to create. First one accepts a title, and that is string, and a destination URL, and the second version it actually accepts a URL and then a view for the label. So let's use the simple version, and in here maybe we can say view or visit our website, and then we have to provide a URL. So I'm going to create a URL in here. Let URL equals to URL, and we can create URL from string. So I'm going to use the string version. So HTTPS, this can be a URL to anything, your site or something. So yeah, let's just use www.google.com, and then if you look at the type of this URL, you can see that it's a nullable URL, and this version it actually only wants a URL that is not null. So maybe we can do one thing, we can just wrap it in a if let. So maybe if let URL, only then if URL is not null, only then you should proceed, and then we can provide URL to our destination, and that's it. This is how you can create a simple link. And for this to work, we actually cannot use a preview because it won't work in the preview. So I already have the simulator with me. So but before running this app on the simulator, make sure you have this file name. Grab this file name, go to your app, the main method where there is a main keyword, and use this or replace the starting file with this link playground. And now if you run your app, this will be the first screen you are going to see. And let's wait for the build. So we have our title in here. Now if I tap on this visit our website, you may notice that uh, our default browser is open, and it is now loading this google.com in the browser. So this is what link does. And if you want, you can actually customize your appearance for link. Like you can use first the destination, provide your URL, and then for the label you can use anything that confirms to a view. So maybe like terms and conditions or anything that you want to link, and then you can use your view modifier with that. So that's it for this video. It was a very short video, and if you have anything, let me know in the comment, and I will see you in the next one.